There are various ways you can wrap individual cupcakes. You can wrap them without frosting on them, depending on your needs. You can store them on the counter, fridge, or even in the freezer wrapped up. Wrapping individual cupcakes without ruining frosting. Carefully place the cupcake into a plastic cup. Ideally, the cup should be taller and wider than the cupcake. You can use a Ziploc bag or a cellophane bag to cover it. Wrapping cupcakes to freeze. To wrap unfrosted cupcakes for freezing, allow them to fully cool at room temperature. Then, wrap them in 1 to 2 pieces of plastic wrap and then place them upright in your freezer. Ways to wrap cupcakes for a special event. The following ways to wrap them give them a nice presentation and will also make transportation easy as well. For best results, you will want to individually wrap the cupcakes within 2 days of your event. This will ensure maximum freshness, and this way you can store them at room temperature as well. Plastic cups and cellophane. Place your frosted cupcake in a plastic cup that is around 8 ounces or bigger. You want to make sure the cup is wider and taller than your cupcake. If you are worried about smudging the frosting on your cupcake when you put it in, then you can frost it after placing it in the cup. Then, carefully place the plastic cup with the cupcake in a cellophane bag. You can then use a twist tie or ribbon to tie off the top of the bag. You can also attach a gift message or even a spoon with it. Take-out box. Take-out boxes are another great option for cupcakes. A rice-sized take-out box will be large enough for your cupcake. You can even top the box with a gift tag or bow as well. Cupcake boxes. Cupcake boxes are a great way for covering cupcakes because they are specifically meant for them. They are easy to put together, and you can also top them with a ribbon or a bow. Plastic cupcake containers also work great as well. Paper cup. Paper cups are a cheap and effective way to cover your cupcakes. Be sure to use paper cups that are wider than the cupcakes and are also a couple of inches taller as well. Carefully cut 4 equal slits on your paper cup that are around 2 inches long. Then, fold each strip over the top of the cupcake. You can then tape the strips of the paper cup together or use a sticker to keep them together. You can wrap the paper cup with ribbon or even place a bow on top. Also, be sure not to fold the strips too far down as you don't want them to touch the frosting. Packaging cupcakes individually. Whether for a bake sale or birthday party, there are many ways you can package a cupcake individually. This makes for a beautiful presentation and makes for easier transportation. Do you have any questions regarding how to wrap individual cupcakes? If so, please ask any questions regarding storing and packaging individual cupcakes in the comment section below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.